Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Easy Life Yahan. I hope you are all fine at your places and I pray for everybody's good health. Today in this video, I brought the unboxing, demo and review of Panasonic mixer grinder which model number is MX AC300. This is a 3-jar mixer grinder. Its motor capacity is high, that is 1000 watts, which I have never seen in other mixer grinder. Let's go for its unboxing. After opening the box, we found some papers. This is instruction manual and this is recipe book. This is first cover lid. And this is one unbreakable plastic jar of 1.5 liters capacity. This is a blender blade. This is our second lid cover of jar. You can see it is spatula. Now we have found third cover lid of jar. These are our steel jars. One is in small size and other is in medium size, approx 1 liters capacity. You can check the size with my hand. At last, finally we found our mixie motor. As you can see, this is the shape and size of our mixie motor. This is the unbreakable blender jar of 1.5 liters capacity which can be used for blending and whipping. We have to put the cover lid of jar like this. Jar will lock from here. And for unlocking it, we have to press this button, then lid cover will open like this. This is the arrow sign which is also given on the mixie to fit that jar. See, here is that arrow. To fix that jar, we have to match the arrows and fix it. After fixing it, we have to move it from right to left, then jar will lock. Again you can see here how I putting jar and locking it. Now we will see its small jar. We will match both the arrows and move jar from right to left. It will lock like this, and to unlock this, move to back. This is its lid cover. We will fix it and it will lock. To open this, we will press this button, can remove the lid and jar. This red button is for off, yellow is for pulse and it has 3 speeds. This yellow pulse button we have to use when we will do wet grinding like dosa or idli batter and grinding of hard dry spices for 2 or 3 seconds, then go on speed mode. This is the blender blade which only can be replaced in plastic blender jar with the help of spatula, not in steel jars. This is the medium size steel jar is used for dry or wet grinding. That plastic jar is used for blending and whipping. And the small jar is used for chutneys and all. Now we will see its demo. I have taken the medium sized jar and going to blend these cinnamon sticks. I will put all these sticks in this jar and fix its cover lid. Its cover lid will lock like this. Because this is a hard spices grinding, I will first press pulse button for 3 seconds and then go for speed mode. After 3 seconds, I stop it and pressing speed button, see my cinnamon sticks are grinding. As you can see, after grinding, in the result, we found that a fine powder of cinnamon sticks. You can see this is a fine powder of cinnamon sticks in seconds because of its 1000 watts motor. When there is overloaded in grinding, then that mixer will automatically stop. In that case, we have to press that button and reduce overloaded spices and use that mixer after some time. This feature makes to protect the motor of mixer to burn and keep safe. These are all the complete accessories in this mixer grinder. I like this mixer grinder because of its heavy 1000 watts motor and its solid big jars which I did not find in other mixer grinder. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for new videos. And really thanks for watching.